If you have a Kia or a Hyundai made, perhaps after 2020, there is a new design for the brakes front and rear. They put this spring which inserts into the pad, but also they did modify the shims. You see, if you look careful, there is a tiny bump in the shim right here at the bottom, right here, and also at the top there is another bump right there. And when you try to remove the pad to replace it, you try to slide it out, this bump actually prevents it to slide out. It's just making like a stop. So it's very difficult to slide out. Also, they get stuck in there. So what I will do, I will get a bigger screwdriver. I will insert it here in the hole right at the end and just pry it out like this. Yeah, this one is very stuck, so maybe show you the top. Just pry it out like this and you slide it out. You need to force. Basically, you are going to flip back this bump. You are going to force against the bump. What I do, I simply flip it all the way out of the way. I just bend it with my pliers, and it sits downwards and it's completely out of the way. I can slide the caliper pad out and in without problems, and I would just keep them. If you put the springs back in place, just keep them with 2 fingers and then slide the bracket over it. It's perfect. It has no problem to do this. You absolutely don't need these pins in there. Also be aware that these pads, front and rear, are different one from the other. You cannot interchange them. So in the rear, you have 2 bumps on the exterior pad and you have only 1 bump on the inner pad. This match with the design of the caliper, so you cannot put this inner pad with 1 bump outside and this one inside. Is not going to work. You won't be able to slide. The caliper is not going to fit. Front wells also is the same. I think front wells outer has 2 bumps, inner has no bump, but you cannot interchange them. Be aware of this detail, which is not really common on other cars.